Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're diving deep into the 2026 Harley-Davidson V-Rod, the latest and perhaps most groundbreaking iteration of Harley's iconic power cruiser that blends cutting-edge technology with the raw, aggressive DNA the V-Rod line has been known for since its revolutionary debut in the early 2000s. The 2026 version stands as a testament to Harley's continuous evolution, embracing modern engineering while staying true to its rebellious roots. With a striking new design that balances muscular aggression with aerodynamic efficiency, the new V-Rod features a redesigned lightweight aluminum frame that not only improves structural integrity but also reduces overall weight by nearly 20 pounds compared to its predecessor, enhancing handling and agility significantly. At the heart of the beast lies the all-new Revolution Max 1400 engine, a liquid-cooled V-twin powerhouse that produces a staggering 160 horsepower and 97 lb-ft of torque, giving riders an exhilarating throttle response and blistering acceleration that makes every ride feel like a shot of adrenaline. This engine is a refined version of Harley's modular powertrain platform, specifically tuned for the V-Rod to deliver smoother low-end torque while keeping high revving performance intact, creating a seamless power band that's both aggressive and controllable. The 6-speed transmission has been reworked for more precise gear shifts, and the addition of a slipper clutch makes aggressive downshifting smoother and safer. One of the biggest highlights for 2026 is the integration of advanced rider aids including cornering ABS, traction control, multiple ride modes rain, sport, touring, and custom, and even a launch control system for track day thrills. The V-Rod now features a full-color 7-inch TFT display with Bluetooth connectivity, turn-by-turn navigation, and integrated control for calls, music, and messages, allowing riders to stay connected without compromising safety. The ergonomics have also seen a significant update, with adjustable mid-controls and handlebars to suit a wider range of riders, while the newly contoured seat provides better support on long journeys. The suspension setup includes Showa inverted front forks and a fully adjustable rear monoshock, delivering a perfect balance between comfort and performance, whether you're carving through twisty mountain roads or cruising down long stretches of highway. Braking duties are handled by dual Brembo M4.32 calipers up front with 320mm rotors, and a single-disc rear setup, ensuring responsive and confident stopping power. Aesthetically, the 2026 V-Rod breaks new ground with its aggressive stance, featuring sculpted bodywork, LED lighting throughout, and a new range of custom-inspired paint schemes including metallic carbon, ghost red, and electric blue flame, all of which come with subtle airbrushed detailing that pays homage to Harley's custom culture. The new dual exhaust setup, which exits just below the tail section, not only improves performance by optimizing back pressure but also produces a deep, throaty rumble that's uniquely V-Rod. The fuel tank remains under the seat to maintain the bike's signature low-slung silhouette, while the faux tank up front cleverly hides the airbox and electronics, adding to the bike's clean, streamlined appearance. Harley has also introduced a new performance cruiser accessory line for the V-Rod, offering everything from carbon fiber body panels and quick shifters to custom seats and LED underglow kits, allowing owners to personalize their ride to an unprecedented degree. This year's model comes in two trims, the standard V-Rod and the V-Rod R, the latter featuring a fully blacked-out theme, Öhlins suspension, a performance-tuned ECU, and lightweight forged wheels that shave off an additional 12 pounds of unsprung mass. Despite all the high-performance additions, Harley hasn't forgotten about long-distance riders. There's also an available touring package that adds a quick detach windscreen, soft saddlebags, and a heated seat, making the V-Rod surprisingly capable as a sport tourer. In terms of pricing, The 2026 V-Rod starts at $21,995 for the base model and goes up to $26,995 for the V-Rod R, which, considering the level of performance and tech on offer, places it competitively within the power cruiser segment. Fuel economy sees a slight improvement over the previous generation, with the new engine and weight savings contributing to an estimated 43 mpg combined, making it more efficient without sacrificing performance. Environmental compliance is also top-notch, with the engine meeting Euro 6 and CARB emissions standards, ensuring it can be sold globally with minimal regional modifications. Harley has also focused heavily on ride quality and noise vibration harshness levels, with improved engine mounts and redesigned frame geometry reducing unwanted feedback while preserving the visceral connection to the road. Safety and theft protection have also been bolstered with the inclusion of keyless ignition, a proximity alarm system, and GPS tracking as standard on all trims. The 2026 V-Rod represents not just a new chapter for Harley-Davidson's performance line but a reassertion of its relevance in a modern motorcycling world increasingly focused on technology, adaptability, and rider engagement. This bike isn't just about straight line speed anymore, it's a refined, well-rounded machine that feels just as at home on a twisty canyon run as it does posing outside your favorite cafe or cruising downtown at night. And for those wondering about customization, Harley's extensive aftermarket and HD certified program make it easier than ever to mod the bike while retaining warranty coverage. Enthusiasts will be pleased to know that Harley is also launching a limited edition V-Rod 25th anniversary model later this year, featuring exclusive paint, a numbered badge, and commemorative engraving. Only 2,000 units will be made worldwide, making it a collector's dream. Overall, the 2026 Harley-Davidson V-Rod is a bold, unapologetic machine built for riders who crave performance, style, and innovation in equal measure. It's not just a bike, it's a statement. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching.